You've probably had that heart-stopping moment when your luggage goes missing or comes back damaged, right? Well, what if I told you there are game-changing tricks in 2025 that can keep your checked bag safe no matter what? Stick around. 1. Invest in durable luggage. The first step to keeping your checked luggage safe in 2025 is to invest in luggage that's built to last. Sure, you can buy a cheap bag, but when it's thrown around by baggage handlers or goes through the rough journey of a flight, it's bound to get damaged. Look for luggage that's made from durable, impact-resistant materials. Polycarbonate and aluminum are two of the toughest materials used in high-quality luggage. Polycarbonate is lightweight yet strong, offering the flexibility to absorb impacts without cracking, while aluminum is incredibly durable, often used in premium hard-shell suitcases. But durability isn't just about the outer shell. The zippers, wheels, and handles are also crucial. YKK zippers are known for their reliability and sturdiness, and multi-directional spinner wheels ensure that your luggage can withstand the rough handling of airport conveyor belts. 2. Use TSA-approved locks. While you might think your luggage is safe once it's sealed, there's always a chance someone will try to access it. In 2025, using a TSA-approved lock is one of the easiest ways to prevent theft or tampering. These locks are specifically designed so that TSA agents can open them for security screenings without damaging your bag. When choosing a TSA lock, make sure it's a high-quality model with a steel cable, as this offers additional resistance to tampering. You can find these locks at almost any luggage store, and they're often quite affordable, making them a must-have accessory for every traveler. The key thing to remember, never rely on a flimsy, easily breakable lock. Choose one that is durable and can withstand force if needed. 3. Pack smartly. You don't just want to protect your bag, you want to protect the contents inside it as well. That means packing strategically. One of the best ways to do this is by using packing cubes. These small, zippered compartments will help you organize your clothes, electronics, and toiletries in a way that keeps them secure and prevents shifting during transit. But packing smart goes beyond just using cubes. Consider the most fragile items you're carrying and place them in the center of your suitcase, surrounded by softer materials like clothes. This not only prevents damage, but also makes your bag less likely to open if it's jostled. Don't forget to place a couple of small items like socks or underwear in the pockets or corners to help fill any gaps. This will reduce movement and ensure everything stays secure. 4. Mark your luggage. Clearly, we've all seen those bags that look exactly like ours, only to realize they're not. In 2025, you can't just rely on a standard luggage tag. Make your bag stand out by adding some personal touches like brightly colored luggage straps, stickers, or even custom luggage tags with your name and contact information clearly visible. A unique, noticeable bag will not only help you spot it quickly on the carousel, but also discourage thieves from taking a similar-looking bag by mistake. If you're concerned about identity theft or privacy, consider using a digital luggage tag with a QR code that provides contact details only when scanned. Another important tip, always photograph your luggage before you check it in. In case of loss or damage, you'll have a record of what it looked like, which will help when making a claim. 5. Use luggage wrapping services. At many airports, you can find luggage wrapping services that use industrial-grade plastic wrap to cover your checked luggage. While it might seem unnecessary at first, this service can add an extra layer of protection to your bag. Not only does it prevent your luggage from being damaged or scratched during transit, but it also acts as a deterrent for thieves, making it much harder for them to open your bag unnoticed. Wrapping services are becoming more advanced in 2025, and some even include tamper-evident seals so you'll know if someone has tried to get into your luggage. This service usually comes with a small additional fee, but it's a small price to pay for the added peace of mind it provides, especially for long-haul flights or when traveling to unfamiliar destinations. 6. Track your luggage with technology. As we move further into 2025, technology is helping us keep our luggage safe. Smart luggage trackers are becoming a must-have for frequent travelers. These small, discrete devices fit right into your bag and allow you to track your luggage in real time through an app on your phone. With the rise of digital luggage, smart trackers have evolved to include additional features, like GPS, Bluetooth, and even alarms that go off if your bag is opened without your permission. These trackers can alert you if your luggage is at risk of being misplaced or stolen, giving you peace of mind as you travel. 7. Avoid packing expensive or irreplaceable items in checked luggage. This is a tip that will never go out of style, but in 2025, it's more important than ever. It's always tempting to throw in that new laptop, camera, or expensive jewelry in your checked luggage, especially when you're in a rush. However, these items are at higher risk of being lost, damaged, or stolen. Instead, carry valuable items with you in your carry-on. While checked luggage is generally safe, accidents and thefts still occur. Electronics, in particular, can be fragile and are often targeted by opportunistic thieves. When you need to travel with something valuable, pack it in a small, padded compartment within your carry-on. Additionally, consider using anti-theft backpacks or travel bags that include RFID blocking technology to further secure your valuables. 8. Understand airline and airport. Procedures for handling luggage. Each airline has its own set of procedures when it comes to checking in and handling luggage, and understanding them can save you a lot of stress in the event of a mishap. Many travelers are unaware that airlines are required to maintain strict baggage handling protocols in 2025 to prevent loss or damage. For example, airlines now use sophisticated tracking systems to monitor your luggage every step of the way, from check-in to baggage claim. That said, it's still a good idea to check with your airline beforehand to see if there are any special instructions for handling fragile or oversized luggage. Some airlines also allow for extra protection, like the use of bubble wrap or special baggage handling services for an additional fee. If you have sensitive items, inquire about these options and ensure that your luggage is properly tagged to ensure it gets the handling it requires. 9. Avoid overpacking your bag. We all know the temptation to pack everything we could possibly need and more for a trip, but overpacking your checked luggage can lead to problems. First off, when you exceed the weight limit, you risk having to pay extra fees. Second, an overstuffed bag is more likely to be mishandled or damaged during transit. In 2025, airlines are also using smart scales and other digital technology to weigh bags more accurately. So, make sure your luggage meets the weight requirements to avoid costly surprises. The best way to prevent overpacking is to stick to the essentials and use packing cubes to maximize space. Keep your bag organized and avoid overstuffing to ensure your luggage can handle the journey without getting crushed under the weight. 10. Insurance is key. No matter how careful you are, accidents happen. That's why having travel insurance that covers lost or damaged luggage is crucial. In 2025, many airlines and travel agencies offer affordable luggage protection as part of their packages. This coverage can save you from the headache of replacing your items if your luggage goes missing or gets damaged beyond repair. Make sure to double-check what the insurance covers. Some policies only cover the value of the suitcase itself, while others will reimburse you for lost contents too. If you're carrying expensive items like electronics or jewelry, you may want to add supplemental coverage to make sure those are covered. 11. Stay informed about airline and TSA policy changes. Finally, staying updated with the latest rules and policies regarding luggage is crucial for ensuring its safety in 2025. Airlines and the TSA are constantly evolving their policies, and regulations may change from year to year. For instance, you might be surprised to learn that new tech-driven policies could affect the way your luggage is handled or scanned at airports. One tip is to sign up for notifications from your airline and TSA. Many airlines offer email alerts about changes to luggage policies, while the TSA frequently updates their website with new security procedures and travel guidelines. Keeping yourself informed can help you avoid surprises at the airport and ensure that your checked luggage is handled in the safest, most efficient way possible. And that's it. Hope these tips help keep your luggage safe next time you're traveling. If this was useful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you've had any crazy luggage stories, and share it with a friend who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these. Safe travels!